and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today we are playing with some indie brand makeup, specifically some loose pigments from Addictive Cosmetics, and I'm super excited to kind of share these with you. I will let you know that I have a full review of this brand up on my channel, specifically the products that I have received from them. I will link that down below, as well as link their shop down below as well. I am super excited to be playing with these today. I created this eye look with these pigments and only using these pigments. And I'm going to let you know which ones I used. The first one here is a purple kind of iridescent one called Fragglerock. Then I have this one here, which is actually a matte loose pigment shadow called Sweet Nothing. Then I have this beautiful blue called Peacock. And then this green here called OMG. Well, if you guys would like to see how I got this look using these pigments, then just continue watching. Okay, the first shade we're going to use here is a Fragglerock. This is an iridescent kind of purple shade, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the cap and how much I actually use to do my eyes. That's about what I take out. I'm using a Real Techniques crease brush here to kind of get that all into my crease and blend it out. I'm also wanting it to be, I'm doing windshield wiper motions because I'm more trying to pack this color on than actually kind of blend it out, because I do want this to have its own moment on my eye, especially for this look that I'm trying to create here. So the next shade I'm using is Sweet Nothing. This kind of reminds me of the shade Love Letter in the Modern Renaissance palette. It is kind of that pinky red. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting this kind of into my crease. This is going to help the other shades that I put on kind of blend into it, as well as kind of give me more definition and depth to the look than just leaving the light lavender purple there. Then I do go in and I kind of put more of Fragglerock onto my eye because I want it to show, because what I'm trying to do is kind of show a gradient of blue and red and kind of how it makes purple. Then I take Sweet Nothing and I place that all over, not all over my lid, 3/4 of the way over my lid. And I'm doing that to both eyes. So you are going to notice me kind of have to work at getting this to cover everywhere that I want it. And that is simply because my eyelids right now are a little dry, and I'm working on that because I don't want them to be that way. Then I'm going in with the shade Peacock. This is a beautiful blue. You guys, I am really feeling blue eyeshadows lately, so you're probably going to see a lot of them. So I'm taking this onto the outer V of my eye and working it slightly into the crease, kind of blending it in with Fragglerock. I do kind of pack this on because I really do want it to be an intense kind of blue shade. And there I am doing it on the other eye. So you're going to see a lot of like patting motions, similar to what I would do with a flat packing brush. But I'm using a blending brush to do it this time. And you guys, just so you know, I highly recommend not doing your base makeup before playing with loose pigments. Okay, I'm going in with the Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner, and I'm just kind of doing a quick wing. These wings are kind of sloppy. They're not exactly even, but you know, you just have to go with it sometime. And I think it's funny because everyone kind of compliments me when the way I do my winged eyeliner, but I don't feel like I'm good at winged eyeliner. But thank you guys for giving me the confidence to do it on camera because it is a struggle and I'm not always the best at it. Now I'm going in with Wander Beauty's Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. My serious obsession. You guys, I have it sitting in my Sephora cart. I'm not even kidding. I know not everyone loves this mascara, but it works for me. Then I'm going in with the NYX glitter glue, and I'm just taking that on my finger and putting it in the inner corner of my eyes. You guys, I'm going to work on my camera angles. I'm trying to really be able to show you what I'm doing, and sometimes I know it is not easy, so I do apologize for that. I'm going to work on it. Next, I'm going in with the shade OMG. This is a beautiful iridescent sparkly green, and I thought it would look perfect in the inner corner and kind of give this look something a little different, something unexpected. Because with the shades I have on, you're not really expecting that, and I like that. Then I go in with the Vintage Cosmetics eyeliner. This is just a black eyeliner. Any eyeliner will do. You don't have to use the eyeliner I'm using here or the mascara or things like that to get this look. Then I go back in with Fragglerock, and I'm just taking that onto my lower lash line to just kind of give it that little touch of purple down there. I think it looks very pretty with this look, and I do kind of have it meet with the green. Then I'm going to go in with the Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glace. And I kind of lined my lips before this. I don't know why I did this, because I just covered my lip in this. But it did help me kind of figure out where I wanted to put the lipstick. And I really like this with this look. Well, there you are. You guys will have to let me know down below what you think. I do hope that you like the look I created. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I'm so excited to share more with you of the indie brands that I have in my collection, especially playing with things like loose pigments and different things I have from each brand. I am super excited. And if you know of any indie brands you would like to see me try, leave those in the comments down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Well, thank you again. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thanks again, and bye!